Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about how to join two tables or data frames using left and right join in PySpark. Like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel. So before going into the actual code, I just want to introduce my blog, which is Voltecure, where I have been started adding about few different programming languages and cloud. So you can just go to the search menu here and you can just type Spark here and be getting Spark related content here. What is a Spark session versus Hive contest, SQL contest, and if you are on AWS, you can see what is the new updates on AWS Glue 3 version and how to create a Spark session. So few might be similar to the videos, but you can find it as a text here. There are different posts has been there. Just go through the if it helpful for you. So let's go into the actual code which we want to discuss about the left and right join. So I have two data frames which is been read from the two CSV files, which is a worker CSV and salary CSV, and I have around total of 6 rows here, and in the second file I have around 6 rows here, and I just want to do a left hand ref join and the right join on top of these two data frames, and I want to do it on the column which is ID, which is 1 to has the values of 1 2 3 4 5 6 and corresponding data to each of the ID. And in the second data frame I have around 6 rows with the 1 2 3 4 5, and I'm skipping the sixth one here just to show the difference between the left join and the right join, and I'm leaving the seventh ID here to show the difference between the two joins. So let's see how it works in PySpark and what is the syntax for us. And I have mentioned it as a two tasks here, which is first we will see in the as a left join, and I have which is the employee DF and the salary DF joined and based upon the ID column, and in the how we are mentioning what is the type of join we are going to do. So this is going to be left join here, and this is the statement which is going to preview the data using the show. So let's run the data frame or the code and see how the left join would be looking for us. So it's creating the Spark session, and in 2 seconds we'll be getting the left join output. So yeah, so we got the output from the two data frames after combining, which is ID column when it's been matched between the two data frames. So we got 1 2 3 4 5 6, which is so left join means that the main agenda of the left join is going to concern more about the left side of the data frame, and it will be getting all the columns or the rows from the left join and left data frame, and only the matching ones from the right data frame. So we have around 6 here, and we got the 6 here until Mohan, which is, and if you see there is a missing sixth ID in the salary data set. So there is a missing sixth ID in the salary data set. That is why it has shown the value as a null for the salary. I just took it as an example to show or explain you guys. Maybe in the real time you will find it in different scenarios where you join the fact tables and sales and the customer tables. Okay, let's see how the right join works, and we can compare the output among both. So I'm running the right join also now. It's running the Spark session, and will be executing the code. Just give it around 4 to 5 seconds, and as a preview of the output we can together combine or compare the left and right joins here. Yeah, so right join works in a way that the right is the right data frame is more concerned in the right join, and whomever it be, like whatever the column or the whatever the row is matched with the left data frame will be visible, but all the rows in the right data frame will be shown in the right join. So this is how the right join is looking for us. And let's go into the input of the salary. So in the salary data frame, I have around 6 rows, and here the value as an ID 6 is missing here, and here the 7 is missing. So when we see as an right join here, the value for the 7 will all be null in the employee data frame, and the salary as a 7 ID as a 4000 is visible in the right join. So this is how if you just compare the difference between the both left and right, you would be easy to understand what's the difference. So all the matching values from the left and right will be shown in the right join, and but all the values from the right all the rows from the right will be visible. And if you go into the left join, all the rows from the left will be visible, but only the matching between the left and right will be visible from the right table or the right data frame. So I hope it is helpful for you guys.
Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.